of the milk. Can I?
Sure.
Barely has any flavor.
Girl, what are you doing? The ice cream.
Hello, today you are gonna see me making ice cream. It has a name. My aunt called it Joy because it makes us happy.
Who has a name? The ice cream?
I mean the ice cream maker. So the ingredients we will need are 2 cups of whole milk, 1 cup of whipping cream, and half a cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of good vanilla, and not that cheap stuff, and homemade Dulce de Leche, which we forgot, and we're about to make it right now. Homemade. So we are gonna pour all of these ingredients in our ice cream maker Joy, and it's gonna make ice cream for us. So first the milk. I actually didn't do that, I think.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it together. Oops. All right.
There's
Wash away the needs of people.
It doesn't fit. Yummy ice cream. Okay. Now it's time for our ice cream maker Joy to mix the ice cream. Woo! Woo! Sorry everyone. The ice cream maker was still pulling the lid was coming off, so my mom was fixing it. And while my mom was doing that, I took a little break.
Okay.
And now it's time to do it again. And it's mixing. It's going to take Joy 20 to 25 minutes for it to make ice cream. And then after that, we're going to add 1.5 cup of homemade Dulce de Leche. You can see it's already getting frozen. And this is the ice cream mixing. Our ice cream maker Joy is mixing it. Yay! So we can eat it. Try the ice cream to see if it's good or not. And I'm 100% sure it is delicious. And I'm going to try. This is super good. Now we're going to add the Dulce de Leche to that.
Looking for something.
And now it is time to try the ice cream. I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkles. I'm going to add these star ones. Here it goes. And now I'm going to add these star sprinkles.
Good. That's a lot of sprinkles.
Okay. Now, I think that's enough sprinkles. And now it's time to try.
Oh my god. That's so good.
I like this video as much as my mom, and I enjoy making it for you guys. If you want to see more recipes like this one, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye!